many three-digit even numbers are there? So this is a question where you need to consider the number of possibilities. We need to use the fundamental principle of counting. We do have some constraints. So firstly, what's not a constraint is kind of the availability of digits. You can repeat numbers. So 998, for example, is a perfectly fine number. So it's 888, that sort of thing. There's no issue with repeating digits. What there is an issue with is a number starting with 0, because technically you can't say that. 034 isn't really a three-digit number, is it? It's a two-digit number. You wouldn't present a number like that in most cases. So that's one constraint. And the other constraint is, to be an even number, you need to end in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So that's the other constraint. So if we just start from the beginning of the number, so what I'm going to do, these boxes represent the three-digit number, and in here I'm going to start from the start. You wouldn't always start from the start, it really depends on the question, but we're going to write in here the number of possibilities for each number, and I'm going to just tell you the reasons. So the first number can be basically anything apart from 0, so it's one digit from 1 to 9, so it can be anything from 1 to 9, it can't be 0, so that gives you 9 possibilities there. The second digit has no constraints because it could be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. So this is 10, this is basically any digit, 0 to 9. And then finally, this needs to be even, so this is 1 from 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So that is 5 possibilities. So remember, the fundamental principle of counting tells you that if there's m ways the first event can occur and n ways a second event can occur, then there are m times n ways that the two can occur together. In this case, we've got 3 events. So you've got 9 ways that the first thing can happen, 10 ways that the second thing can happen, 5 ways that the third thing can happen. So the ways they can all happen together is 9 times 10 times 5. Now the easiest way to do that, 9 5s are 45, 45 times 10 is 450. So 450 ways. So that means 450 three-digit numbers.